This video was made possible by Mzizi International, the official African diaspora clothing brand. Visit mzizishop.com for more information. Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank statement, wondering where all your hard-earned money went? The journey to financial stability can be a challenging and perplexing one, filled with unexpected twists and turns. However, fear not, as this video is here to guide you through the maze of financial uncertainty and provide you with a roadmap for a complete financial turnaround. In a world where financial stress is all too common, understanding the fundamental steps to regain control over your finances is not just empowering but absolutely crucial. So let's embark on a transformative journey together, exploring actionable steps that can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channels and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. Taking stock of your current financial situation is the crucial first step on the road to financial recovery. It's akin to checking the compass before embarking on a journey, an essential task to ensure you're headed in the right direction. Begin by meticulously examining your income and expenditures. Create a comprehensive budget that dissects your financial inflows and outflows, offering a clear snapshot of where your money is going. This process not only unveils spending patterns, but also enables you to identify areas where cutbacks or adjustments are possible. Simultaneously, assess your outstanding debts, creating a prioritized list to understand the magnitude of your financial obligations. By facing the reality of your current financial state head-on, you lay the groundwork for informed decision-making and strategic planning. Once you've taken stock of your income, expenses, and debts, the next crucial aspect is evaluating your financial goals. Consider short-term and long-term objectives, aligning them with your personal values and aspirations. This introspective process is like setting coordinates for your financial journey, providing a sense of direction and purpose. If you define your financial goals, you not only establish a roadmap, but also cultivate the motivation needed to propel you forward. Taking stock is not just about understanding your present circumstances, it's about laying the foundation for a purposeful and intentional financial future. Determining where you are going financially is akin to plotting a course on a map, a crucial step towards achieving lasting financial success. Once you've taken stock of your current situation, the next pivotal aspect is setting clear and achievable financial goals. Ask yourself, what are you aiming to achieve in the short and long term? Whether it's paying off high-interest debts, saving for a down payment on a home, or building an emergency fund, articulating specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provides a roadmap for your financial journey. These goals act as beacons, guiding your financial decisions and helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Moreover, the destination of your financial journey is not solely about numerical achievements. It's about aligning your financial goals with your values and priorities. Consider what truly matters to you, whether it's providing for your family, pursuing a passion, or ensuring a comfortable retirement. By infusing your financial goals with personal meaning, you create a powerful motivation that propels you forward, even when faced with challenges. Where you are going financially is not just a numerical endpoint. It's a reflection of the life you envision for yourself and your loved ones. Building a routine is a cornerstone in the process of financial turnaround. Much like the framework of a building, a well-structured routine provides stability and consistency to your financial habits. Start by incorporating dedicated time for financial activities into your daily or weekly schedule. This might include a regular budget review, bill payments, and tracking your spending. Consistency is key. By making financial tasks a habitual part of your routine, you establish a rhythm that fosters financial awareness and control. Moreover, a routine helps you develop a proactive mindset, allowing you to anticipate financial challenges, identify potential issues, and address them before they become significant obstacles. In addition to the practical aspects of financial management, building a routine extends to cultivating positive habits that contribute to your overall financial well-being. This may involve setting aside time for ongoing financial education, whether through reading relevant articles, attending workshops, or engaging with financial podcasts. You give yourself the power to make wise financial decisions by incorporating these learning opportunities into your daily life. In the end, a carefully designed routine serves as a support system for your financial achievement, offering structure, self-control, and a strong base upon which to construct a more stable and prosperous future. Discipline and accountability are the bedrock of any successful financial transformation. Cultivating financial discipline involves making consistent, mindful choices that align with your financial goals. This may entail adhering to a budget, curbing impulsive spending, and resisting the allure of unnecessary expenses. The discipline required for long-term financial success is demonstrated by the capacity to postpone gratification and stick to your financial strategy in the face of alluring alternatives. The discipline and self-control needed to establish and maintain a routine may seem difficult at first, but they will pay off handsomely in the form of increased financial stability. Furthermore, accountability serves as a powerful catalyst for positive financial change. Whether you're managing finances individually or as a household, being accountable means taking responsibility for your financial decisions and actions. This involves regularly assessing your progress toward financial goals, acknowledging missteps, and making adjustments as needed. Seeking external accountability, such as discussing financial plans with a trusted friend, family member, or financial advisor, can provide valuable perspectives and encouragement. Ultimately, the combination of discipline and accountability creates a robust framework that not only supports short-term financial objectives, but also fosters a mindset conducive to sustained financial well-being over time. A key component of both personal and financial development is ongoing education, which also acts as a catalyst for changing with the times in the financial world. It is critical to stay up to date on market trends, investing techniques, and economic changes in the fast-paced world of finance. Engaging in continuous learning equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions, navigate challenges, and seize opportunities. This could involve staying updated on the latest financial news, participating in workshops or webinars, and reading books or articles authored by reputable financial experts. Embracing a mindset of lifelong learning not only empowers individuals with the tools to enhance their financial literacy, but also instills the flexibility to adapt to evolving economic conditions. Moreover, continuous learning extends beyond the technical aspects of finance to encompass personal development and behavioral finance. Understanding one's own financial habits, attitudes towards money, and emotional responses to financial situations is a crucial component of financial well-being. Continuous learning in this context involves self-reflection, perhaps through books on behavioral economics or discussions with financial counselors, helping individuals identify and overcome psychological barriers that may hinder sound financial decision-making. Fostering a dedication to lifelong learning helps people develop a mindset of resilience, adaptability, and proactive approaches to long-term financial success, in addition to improving their financial knowledge. Investing is a strategic and essential component of building wealth and securing financial stability. At its core, investing involves allocating resources with the expectation of generating future returns, whether through the stock market, real estate, or other avenues. The act of investing allows individuals to grow their wealth over time. One key aspect of successful investing is understanding the principle of risk and reward. Higher potential returns often come with higher levels of risk. Diversification, the practice of spreading investments across different asset classes, is a fundamental strategy to mitigate risk and enhance the chances of consistent, long-term growth. While the concept of investing may seem daunting to some, it's crucial to recognize that it's not solely reserved for the wealthy or finance experts. With the accessibility of various investment platforms and educational resources, individuals at all income levels can participate in the wealth-building potential of investing. Moreover, the power of compounding, where earnings generate additional earnings over time, emphasizes the importance of starting early in one's investment journey. Tackling debt strategically is a fundamental step in achieving financial stability and independence. The first crucial aspect is to comprehensively assess your outstanding debts. Compile a detailed list that includes the type of debt, interest rates, and outstanding balances. This inventory provides a clear picture of your financial obligations, helping you prioritize debts for effective management. Once you've taken stock of your debts, it's time to develop a strategic plan for repayment. Two common approaches are the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball involves paying off the smallest debts first, creating a sense of accomplishment and motivation as each debt is eliminated. On the other hand, the debt avalanche focuses on tackling high-interest debts first, potentially saving more money in interest over the long run. Choose the method that aligns with your financial goals and preferences. Additionally, don't hesitate to explore debt consolidation options or negotiate with creditors for better terms. Regular check-ins are a vital practice in maintaining and fine-tuning your financial journey. Similar to how a vehicle needs periodic maintenance to run smoothly, your financial plan requires consistent evaluation and adjustments. Schedule regular check-ins to review your budget, assess progress towards financial goals, and ensure that you're staying on track. These check-ins provide an opportunity to identify any deviations from your plan, address unexpected expenses, and make necessary tweaks to your financial strategy. Furthermore, regular check-ins foster a proactive and mindful approach to your finances. They enable you to catch potential issues before they escalate, offering a chance to recalibrate your budget or rethink your financial priorities. Whether conducted monthly, quarterly, or annually, these assessments empower you to celebrate achievements, learn from setbacks, and continuously refine your financial goals. Incorporating a dependable financial advisor into these check-ins might also provide a new viewpoint and professional insights. You may develop financial discipline, improve your financial awareness, and raise your chances of long-term financial success by making routine financial check-ins a habit. Thank you for watching today's video. How you plan on turning your finances around? Kindly leave your comments and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth channel for more informative videos.